Hello everybody, we have here a lovely little 4LK engine, fully restored engine, very nicely presented, and it's just come into the yard. So as you can imagine, we're really looking forward to starting her up and seeing how she goes. So we would like to share that with you. So we'll try and start her up now and see how she goes. I assure you this is the first time we've tried to start her. Okay, just priming the diesel. Just bear with us now if we have some traffic noise here. There's nothing we can do about it. Try now, and I'm going to operate each latching lever to see if she's firing on all four. You hear the difference? You hear the difference? You hear the difference? So we know that she's firing on all four. Lovely little engine, she's running on all four. There's a lot of work left in this engine, I can tell you. She'll probably do another 25 years or so. So that's it everybody. As you'll have seen, this is a lovely wee running engine. She's running on all four. Oil pressure is very good. She's not particularly smoky. Remember, she was cold whenever we shot the video. So I'm really very confident of this engine. Thanks a lot for joining us. And if you have an interest in this engine, send me an email. I'd be delighted to hear from you. Thank you so much. And on we go to the next one.